What's the biggest difference with Rick Ross from 2009 to 2020?
Well, I finally started to learn my way around. I'm knowing people now. I know who's full of shit and who you can count on. I'm learning what businesses work, what businesses don't work. And I'm generating a little money now. When I got home, I had $200. So it was very important that you have some money when you're doing things.
Yeah.
Because without money, it's hard to maneuver in this society.
You're right. And what was your first business venture when you came home?
I started a trucking company. I started a website, Freeway Enterprise. What else did I do? I was doing my speaking engagements. I was still doing the speaking engagements. Then I started the T-shirts.
Like the ones you're wearing right now?
Yep.
Stand up so we can see it 1 second there. The real Rick Ross is not a rapper.
And it's even funny how that came about. I was on a Joe Rogan show one day, and I told Joe that I was doing bad financially, and he told me that I should do a T-shirt. And I was walking down the street, and this kid stopped me, and he's like, "Man, we got a T-shirt idea for you."
Yeah.
And they told me what it was. Real Rick Ross is not a rapper. I was like, that's so fucking corny.
Yeah.
But you know what? I did like I always do, and I listened. And I went with the kid. He made it up, and he gave me 100 shirts, and I sold them all the same day.
Not so corny after all. Eh?
No, I said, well, you know what? That kid was on to something.
Yeah.
And then I didn't even know who the kid was, but he's a famous designer too. So
okay, so it's a win-win for all parties involved.
Yeah. So you just never know. That's why you have to keep an open mind, all the time. Let your mind be open and let it roam. Let it be free. Let it just charm up life, for you.
And do you think that that's one of your biggest assets from back then to right now is actually listening and observing what's going on around you?
Yes, definitely. Paying attention, being open-minded is definitely a plus. So many people are closed-minded that they can't see what's going on, because there's opportunities all around us here in this country.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.